Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Indrya Praditha Maharani from 12th grade Science 1. In this video, inshallah, I'm going to make some bookmarks from papers. So, let's move on to the procedures. Before we prepare the necessary tools and materials first, such as some papers, scissors, glue, a paper hole punch, row, and some stationeries. After the tools and materials are ready, let's create the first type of bookmark. First of all, we prepare a paper. I used origami paper with a size of 14 by 14 centimeter. Fold the paper into a triangle shape. And fold up half of the triangle, both the left and the right. After folding, unfold the fold so that it leaves a mark. Fold one part of the top triangle shape down. So that it forms like this. Then, fold up again the leg part of the triangle up and insert it into a place formed from the previous fold. After the two parts are folded, then the first type of bookmark is ready. Next, the second type of bookmark. In this type, I used buffalo paper, then cut it with a length of 5 centimeters and the width of 15 centimeters. I made a slanted line of about 2 centimeters and then I cut it to produce the shape I wanted. After that, I punched holes in the top of the paper using a paper hole punch. Then I prepared some tools and materials to decorate the piece of paper. First, I determine where I will place the decorations. After that, I will apply glue. The last step, hooking and linking the rope to the hole that was made earlier, and don't forget to tidy up the parts that are still messy. And move to the third type of bookmark. I also use buffalo paper, then cut it with a length of 3 cm and the width of 10 cm. Then I fold it into 2 parts. After that, I marked with some dots and made some lines, then cut the part that was lined so that it produces the desired shape. And the final touch is to make some decorations using a pen.